Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. I am doing first chapter relations and functions. 4 exercises I have completed. Now I am in the 5th exercise. Second sum is find the value of k such that f of g is equal to g of f. For that two sums are given. In both these sums we are asked to find the value of k such that f of g is equal to g of f. So first sum is f of x is given as 3x plus 2 and g of x is given as 6x minus k. So first we will find f of g. So f of g is, we will write it as f of g of x. So f of g of x is given as 6x minus k. So if f of x is there, then it will be 3x plus 2. So instead of this ex, we have to substitute 6x minus k. So 3 into 6x plus 2, 3 into 6x minus k, instead of x we have to substitute 6x minus k. So 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. Now this has to be simplified. So 3 6 are 18 into x is 18x minus 3k plus 2. So this is f of g value. Then g of f is g of x. So what is f of x value? F of x value is given as 3x plus 2. Okay. So if g of x is there, it is 6x minus k. So here in this x we have to substitute 3x plus 2. So 6 into 3x plus 2 minus k. If x is there, it is 6x minus k. So instead of x we are having 3x plus 2. So 6 into 3x plus 2 minus k. So now this has to be simplified. So 6 3s are 18x plus 6 2s are 12 minus k. Okay. In the question what is given? F of g is equal to g of f. So we got the value for f of g and g of f. So f of g is equal to g of f. This one we will simplify. So f of g is 18x minus 3k plus 2 is equal to g of f is 18x plus 12 minus k. So 18x and 18x will get cancelled. I will bring this k to one side. So minus 3k plus k is equal to 12 minus 2. So minus 3k plus k is minus 2k is equal to 10. So k is equal to minus 10 by 2. The value for k is minus 5. So we are asked to find the value of k with the given conditions. So we got the value for k as minus 5. Same way the second sum also has to be done. So first we will find f of g. So that is f of g of x. So f of g of x is given as 4x plus 5. So if f of x is there, then it is 2x minus k. So instead of this x, we have to substitute 4x plus 5 minus k. Okay. So this one will be 2 4s are 8x plus 10 minus k. So this is f of g. Then g of f is g of f of x. So g of f of x is given as 2x minus k. So this is equal to, here in this it has to be substituted. So 4 into 2x minus k plus 5. So this is equal to 4 2s are 8x minus 4k plus 5. So this is our g of f. So we have to equate f of g and g of f. So f of g is 8x plus k minus k is equal to g of f is 8x minus 4k plus 5. So 8x and 8x will get cancelled. So minus k plus 4k is equal to 5 minus 10. So minus k plus 4k is 3k is equal to minus 5. So k value is minus 5 by 3. So they are asking us to find the k value. So the k value is minus 5 by 3. Now we do the third sum. In this f of x and g of x is given. Show that f of g is equal to g of f, that is equal to x. So first one is f of g. So this one is f of g of x. So f of g of x value is given as x plus 1 by 2. So if f of x is there, then it is 2x minus 1. So instead of this x, we have to substitute this x plus 1 by 2. So 2 into x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So when we simplify this 2 will get cancelled. We get x plus 1 minus 1. So plus and minus will get cancelled. So we are getting f of g as x. Okay, same way g of f also we will do. So g of f is equal to g of f of x. So g of f of x is given as 2x minus 1. So if g of x is there, then it is x plus 1 by 2. So g of x is there, then it is x plus 1 by 2. So here instead of this x, we will substitute 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So when we simplify this, we will get 2x plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 2x by 2. So that if we can cancel this 2 and 2, we will get g of f value as x. So this is the thing we are asked to find out. We are asked to show that g of f is equal to f of f is equal to x. So we have shown that f of g is equal to g of f is equal to x. So this is the thing we are asked to prove. Okay. Next sum is f of x is x squared minus 1, g of x is x minus 2. Find a if g of f of a is equal to 1. So first one is we will find g of f. So g of f of x is equal to g of, so g of f is equal to g of f of x. So g of f of x is given as x squared minus 1. So if g of x is equal to x minus 2, so instead of this x, we have to substitute x squared minus 1. So this is in this place minus 2. So this is equal to x squared minus 3. So g of f is x squared minus 3. Here we are asked to find g of f of a. This one is g of f of x. G of f of x is x squared minus 3. So here g of f of a. That means wherever x is there, we have to substitute a square. We have to substitute a, replace it by a. So a squared minus 3. So that value is given as 1. That is g of f of a is equal to 1. So we got g of f of a is a squared minus 3 is equal to 1. So a squared is equal to 1 plus 3. A squared is equal to 4. A is equal to root 4. That is equal to plus or minus 2. So a value we are getting it as plus or minus 2. A is equal to plus 2 and a is equal to minus 2. Fifth sum is let a, b, c be the subset of n and a function f from a to b be defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g is a function from b to c be defined by g of x is equal to x squared. Find the range of f of g and g of f. This is the thing we are asked to find. So first we will find what is given. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared. These two things are given. So we will find, first we will find f of g and g of f. So f of g is equal to f of g of x. So f of g of x is x squared. So in this place of x, we will substitute x squared. So 2x squared plus 1. So this is f of g. So if we are taking f of g as y, if we are taking f of g as y, we will write the range for this as range. We will write the range for this as y such that y is equal to 2x squared plus 1. where x belongs to n, natural numbers. This is the range. Okay. The same way g of f also we will find. So g of f is equal to g of f of x. So what is f of x? F of x is 2x plus 1. So if g of x is there, then it is x squared. Instead of x we will substitute 2x plus 1. So the whole square. So this one is a plus b the whole square. So a squared is 4x squared plus 2 into 2x into 1. So that is 4x plus 1. So when we expand this in a plus b the whole square. So this one we will, if we are taking it as z, the range we will write it as, range is equal to z such that z is equal to 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 where x belongs to natural numbers. So this is the thing they are asked us to find. Find the range of g of f and f of g. So range we found for both the f of g and g of f. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.